Hi scholars, this is Miss C, and it is writing time. I want you to shout, it's writing time. We will be practicing interactive writing throughout this lesson.
Materials.
You will need a paper and pencil for our learning today. We have 2 new learning targets. Please follow along with me as I read them. Our first learning target says, I can show possession for nouns and pronouns using an apostrophe. The second learning target says, I can write a sentence using words spelled with CLE and CAL endings, possessives, and high-frequency words.
Transition song.
Can you build a word from scratch? A word from scratch, a word from scratch. Can you build a word from scratch using many parts?
Word work.
Go ahead and get your pencil and paper ready so that we can build some words. All of our words will show possession. That means we will take a noun, which is a person, place, or thing, and add either an apostrophe S or just an apostrophe. Let's go. Frank is the name of a person. A person can own something. Let's imagine Frank has a dog. If we saw that dog, we might say, look, there is Frank's dog. When we say Frank's, we are showing that something belongs to him. It's called a possessive because we are showing that Frank possesses or has the dog. When we write Frank's, we start by writing his name, Frank. Next, we add an apostrophe. This is the same mark we use to write contractions. After the apostrophe, we write the letter S. When we put Frank apostrophe S together, we have the word Frank's. Go ahead and write the word Frank's on your paper. Here's our next one. Something can also belong to a place. For instance, we can say that the Star-Spangled Banner is America's national anthem. If we want to show that America possesses this song, we start by writing the name of the place, America. Next, we add an apostrophe, just as we did for Frank. Again, after the apostrophe, we write the letter S. When we put America together with the apostrophe S, we have the word Americas. Go ahead and write the word Americas on your paper. Here is our last word. Parent. An example is the word parents, which ends with the letter S. When we want to show that something belongs to them, we don't need to add an extra S because there's already one there. Next, we add an apostrophe, just as we did for Frank and America. But this time, since the word parents ends with the letter S, we don't need to write S again because then it will be a mouthful. As you can see, we have the word parents with an apostrophe at the end. So go ahead and write the word parents on your paper.
Transition song.
Do you know the words will write? The words will write. The words will write. Do you know the words will write on our papers today?
Writing.
For our last activity, let's use words with the cl sound to write a silly sentence. Here are some words that you can use. Starting from the top, we have the words icicle, musical, unicycle, motorcycle, recycle, typical, logical, local. Use your paper and pencil to write a complete sentence using at least 3 words from this list. Don't forget to start your sentence with an uppercase letter and end with punctuation. I will leave this list up to help you as you write. Good luck. Don't forget to pick at least 3 words from this list to use in your sentence. And make sure you add ending punctuation. Here's the silly sentence that I came up with. She rode Sam's unicycle as she sang songs from her favorite musical. Do you see how I started my sentence with an uppercase S and used a period at the end? Take a look at the possessive in words with the cl sound that I use. The word Sam's shows that the unicycle belongs to Sam. Unicycle and musical both end with the cl sound. Let's read the entire sentence together this time. She rode Sam's unicycle as she sang songs from her favorite musical. I can't wait for you to share your silly sentence with someone else.
Closing reflection.
What knowledge and skills do you have now that you did not have earlier in the year? Try writing more sentences with possessives and words with the cl sound to make a silly story. Keep writing, and I can't wait to see you next time.